I stopped smoking recently, and now I find I'm coughing a lot. Is that normal?
Yes, it is. Coughing after you quit smoking is actually quite normal. Veteran smokers are used to coughing, but less seasoned smokers who never develop the chronic bronchitis that causes most smokers to hack are baffled when they cough even more after they quit. The reason? Tobacco smoke inhibits the cough reflex and damages the cilia. The cilia are those little hairs that sweep mucus and particles out of the airways. Now that you no longer smoke, your cough reflex is getting back to normal, and your cilia are starting to function like they're supposed to. People like you who have quit sometimes have other problems. They might feel a sore throat, they might sneeze frequently, or get sores inside their mouth. It doesn't seem fair, but the cough is actually a good sign that your airways are beginning to heal. So hang in there. The cough should stop within 6 weeks after you quit. If it doesn't, contact your doctor to be sure that something new isn't causing the cough. From Harvard, I wish you good health.